Here everyone, and welcome back in this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Miniclip account from 8-Ball Pool. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first of all, open your browser and go to Miniclip support page. On the search bar, type in the later account and you'll find official article from Miniclip. So once you're on that page, scroll down a bit and tap on the link to the Firebase web form. So here you will need to submit a request to delete your account. So now when filling out the form, make sure to provide details like your game name, user ID, email address, and even a screenshot of your profile if possible. So this helps verify that account belongs to you. So if your Miniclip account is linked to Facebook, Google, or Apple, don't forget to go into those accounts and remove 8-Ball Pool connection. So once confirmed, your Miniclip account will be deleted and all your data will be erased permanently. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out to remove your Miniclip account from 8-Ball Pool. So thanks for watching and good luck.